Hey guys, this is Marcy coming to you from our LA studio. I'm so excited to share with you all of the details about our ring try-on kit. This is the absolute best tool we have ever offered to help you narrow down exactly what you're looking for in your perfect dream engagement ring. Head to our website, and for a deposit of $100, you get to choose from hundreds of styles of engagement rings. So we have beautiful classic styles that we know time and time again brides love, and we are offering them in a sample. You can get them in a white metal, a yellow metal, a rose metal, with every shape center stone that you can imagine, and it will come to your house delivered in this amazing package right here. You pick 3 rings. You get an awesome bottle of nail polish, OPI's Baby Take a Vow. Paint your nails, make them look pretty. Try on these amazing rings of your choosing with 3 pre-selected wedding bands that come in the kit. You get to enjoy this in the comfort of your own home and really get a sense and a feel for if the ring that you've imagined loving all of these years is actually the perfect ring for you. After you've enjoyed our ring try-on kit for 7 days and you send it back, you're gonna know for certain exactly the ring that you want. And then the next step is only for this little box to come your way with your Marcilla Bailey Dream Engagement Ring.